Yeah, sure. I mean, it is what it is, right? And you did what you could in the amount of hours. I would have probably opted to go for completely procedural materials, like I did in mine.
Mm.
If I had the 8 hours and went for something like this, like you did, that's more realistic, let's say, I would have probably made this with a brick texture from Blender.
Okay. Is it possible to have those variations with the brick texture?
I mean, this is still repeating. I see,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
know,
yeah. It's visible.
you can see that it's tiling still. So
Yeah, 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 I know. I see
so
it.
generally to achieve like the color variation and like the grunge here, like the stuff, that shouldn't be a problem doing it procedurally. I don't think that should be outside of the possibility. Maybe not the scratches like this. Uh, I don't think, maybe that might be a bit harder, but the rest is just, I would say, brick, noise, bump, um, maybe one of them converted into a specular, so give it a little bit more reflection in places, make it a bit more
Okay.
wet.
I
Just high.
tried this bricks texture for 1, 2 times, but this is something I mess around for a long time with no result. Yeah.
Okay. I mean, I don't know if I would be immediately able to create this like right now, but if I worked a little bit on it, I can try do something and show you the node group.